Hi there, it's Kurt with Kurt Tanner Motor Cars. Today we have on offer this 1957 Jaguar Xk140 Roadster SE model, special equipment. So this is a matching numbers car. It's currently fitted with a sedan 3.4 engine, but we do have the original matching number engine and head. It's fitted with wire wheels, original factory overdrive car. Original colors are, I believe it's Carmen red with black interior. So full matching number car, SE overdrive, excellent body on this car. Originally delivered to New Mexico. It came to California in the early 70s. It's resided with that owner for the past, 40, 50 years. He was attempting to restore it, but he ended up selling it to us and we purchased it. But super good body. Probably not a candidate for granite restoration. It doesn't really need it. I mean, it's amazingly solid, rust-free car overall. It's been garaged a very long time. So you can look all over this car and it's just an excellent, solid, amazingly well-preserved body. Couple dings and dents there in the back of the car. This car originally was red, then it was painted blue, like a pale blue, and then I believe it was painted gold, but the paint it's wearing right now is probably 30, 40 years old. So excellent 140 SE Roadster for restoration, overdrive car, matching numbers. And then you've got the benefit of that extra 3.4 liter sedan engine. So yeah, a little ding there in the right rear fender. Trunk lid has a ding. There is another trunk that comes with the car. Also that comes with the car is a multitude of new parts. So everything to rebuild the chassis, everything to rebuild the original disassembled original matching number engine. Lots of new parts, engine bearings, pistons, gasket sets, bushes, brake parts, just lots of nice newer components. There's a new top, there's a new carpet kit. So this previous owner was collecting a ton of extra new stuff for the car over the period of 30, 40 years, but just never had the opportunity to restore this car. So let's take a look at it. I'm walking around here. You can see how straight the body is, really good gaps. Factory wire wheeled SE Roadster, red black originally. Very good trunk if you look at the still photos. Probably original factory beading still secured to the car. Really good gaps. You can see a lot of this original paint just poking through everywhere. Very good hood fit. There's a crack in the windshield glass, but you're probably going to restore that. Upholstery, the Speedo reads 114,000. Upholstery's just kind of as it is over the years, but that's all going to get renewed. But the original top frames here, we have the side screens. We've cataloged this car extensively, and there's actually we haven't seen anything missing. There's actually a lot of extra components for it. So really cool, really rare, really desirable Xk140 Roadster. It's fitted with that sedan 3.4 engine with its original factory overdrive gearbox. But like I said, we do have the original matching numbers SE motor to it. We do have a BMIHT, which is posted on the ad. Let me shut that hood, it fits real nice. But yeah, lovely, easy project here. Most buyers buy these cars and they just do a full Concord nut and bolt restoration and make it an extremely valuable car. But if you're looking to get into a 140 Roadster and you want to do a good sort of body on cosmetic mechanical resto, this is a really great car that you really don't have to pull the body off the frame because there's really no rust issues going on anywhere with it. Super rust-free, solid, straight, complete 140 Roadster. And there it is, 1957 Xk140 Roadster. Originally red with black. It's a special equipment SE model. Wire wheels, factory overdrive, full matching number, BMIHT certificate. Lots and lots of extra parts. Please take a look at the still photos, and we're chronicling all the extras that come with this car, which is a really great head start. And you can find this car for sale on our website. Super good little Jaguar to restore here. Very important, desirable Xk140 Roadster. www.kurttannermotorcars.com.